So you can see this is bad squeegee. Hasn't been sharpened for a while. And this we just started working on as we were setting up this demo. Basically the way we try to set it up is we try to set up a weekly, bi-weekly maintenance item that we sharpen our squeegees so many times a month type of thing. Then it's not, you don't get real bad squeegees and you have to stop and go sharpen. So this guy is a not real expensive squeegee sharpener, but certainly well worth the investment. We basically put the squeegee inside this jig and we tighten her down. One of the things we've learned again is not to tighten it too tight, because if you tighten it too tight, it'll actually start changing the shape of the rubber. And then this guy, we want to, that should still be okay, have it barely touch. So I like to pull it off so it's not touching at all. Oops. For my first go around. And then if you watch and turn that on, they call that a diamond wheel. So our first pass, we basically missed everything. That's okay. And then we can push it in just a touch. And you can we just barely touched there, so I'll swing it back, turn it in a little bit more, and we got a dial indicator up here that shows us how far we're going in. It's better to go slow than to try to take too much off, because it will actually melt the squeegee. I had it set up. Am I going away from it? No. No, I am going away from it. I was looking at my arrow going the wrong way. There we go. And you just take it nice and slow across it. But nice and even too. You don't want to stop, because you'll just chew a little dent in it. And you can see all that old becoming new again. And we're mostly concerned with the edges, of course, because that's what's in contact with the screen. So again, another hack, we've learned to turn it off when we bring it back, because then you're going the other direction. Turn it back on, come across it again at the same depth. Now I can go a little faster because I've already taken off the larger portion of it. Turn it off, come back, and I'm going to go in just a little bit further. Come across that one more time at a little bit higher rate. And if you sharpen all the time, it won't take a long time to get them sharp. You're just putting a little fine. And now we've got a nice clean sharp edge.